Dad, get in the seat. Come on, get on the ride. You're making a mistake. Come on. Come on, right here. You're in the middle of the train. Come on.
Please lift up on your safety harness and check your safety belt to make sure that it's securely locked. Secure all loose articles. Now sit back and experience the terror of Montu.
Here, dispatcher.